When it comes to men's grooming, finding a versatile tool that handles everything from beard trimming to nose hair removal can feel like a dream come true. Enter the Wahl USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus Slate Beard Trimmer. This all-in-one kit claims to do it all, from giving you a clean shave to detailing your beard and everything in between. Today, we're going to dive into how it really performs, from its cutting-edge technology to its usability. Let's start with the key features. This kit comes with 4 different attachment heads, making it ideal for trimming beards, mustaches, and haircuts. There's also a precision detailer head for those of you who like to clean up the edges or create intricate designs. I particularly like how the rotary ear and nose trimmer head is separated, ensuring you get a hygienic experience without any cross-contamination. And for those of you who enjoy ultra-close shaves, the dual foil shaver head is built for just that. But let's get into real-world use. I handed this over to my husband for testing, as it's definitely not a product made for me. We found that the trimmer was really easy to incorporate into his grooming routine. It didn't take much to switch between the different attachments, which was great for someone who doesn't want to spend too much time adjusting the tool. The wide T-blade was particularly effective for beard trimming and mustache detailing, providing precision without causing any irritation. When we tested the rotary ear and nose trimmer, it was smooth and comfortable, without any tugging or discomfort, which often happens with cheaper trimmers. And the dual foil shaver head? It lived up to the hype. The shave was smooth and close, almost like a traditional razor, making it a great option for those who want an all-in-one grooming tool. However, I did notice that the body grooming attachment wasn't as effective for finer details. So if you're looking for extreme precision in body hair trimming, it might not be as sharp as you'd expect. The real standout feature here is the battery life. Thanks to the Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus technology, this trimmer provides 3.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge. My husband could go months without needing to charge it, which makes this a great choice for anyone who travels frequently or prefers a low-maintenance grooming tool. The fact that it works with both 110V and 220V voltage means it's a solid companion for international trips as well. No more worrying about adapters or running out of power on the go. Now, let's talk about the guide combs. There are 10 individual guide combs included in this kit, with 8 T-blade guide combs ranging from short 1/16" to long 1/2" lengths, and 2 adjustable 10-position combs offering lengths from 2mm to 21mm. This variety allows for total flexibility when it comes to customizing your trim. When it comes to value, this trimmer is certainly priced higher than some entry-level models. But considering the range of attachments, long battery life, and versatile cutting options, it does feel like you're getting a lot for your money. If you're the type who values durability and a one-stop grooming solution, this is definitely worth the investment. On the other hand, if you're just looking for something to keep your beard neat and aren't as concerned with all the bells and whistles, you might find more affordable options that do the job just as well. In terms of build quality, the trimmer feels solid with its stainless steel housing, providing a premium, durable feel. It's a little heavier than some plastic models, but the sturdiness makes it feel high-end. The length of the battery life is also a big plus, as it allows for months of use without needing to recharge. Although I haven't needed to interact with customer support directly, Wahl has built a solid reputation for being responsive when it comes to warranty claims or any issues with the product. Their customer service is known for being efficient, which is always a comforting factor when investing in a grooming tool. So, who is this trimmer best suited for? If you're a man who values an all-in-one grooming tool that's highly versatile and designed for multiple uses, beard trimming, detailing, and shaving, the Wahl USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion 2.0 Plus is a solid choice. It's especially great for those who travel frequently or want a long-lasting tool that doesn't require constant charging. However, if you're looking for something that focuses more on precision in body hair grooming, you might want to consider other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this trimmer, you can find the link in the description box or comments below. If you've tried this product, drop a comment and let us know your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.